Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a Sardinia dress from Fabrico. First, let's do interfacing. I interface facing pieces and straps. Depending on fabric, you can interface only 2 straps pieces. Then interface pocket opening areas. And back seam allowance for a zipper. Stitch pocket backs to both front and back skirt and neaten this section with an overlocking stitch. Sew together pieces of skirt along with pocket bags. Finish the seam. Now you have very wide pocket openings. Stitch them to the notches from the top and from the bottom. Stitch the darts and press them towards the center. If the dart bulk is too big and heavy, you can cut it a little bit and finish with a serger. Now put together all bodice pieces, stitch and finish with a serger. Press well. Put together the bodice and the skirt. Finish the back seams edges. Stitch from the zipper's markings down to the hem. Baste one part of the invisible zipper to the seam allowance. The long edge of the zip tape should match the overlocked edge of the fabric. Use an invisible zipper foot or a regular zipper foot to stitch as far as possible. Close the zipper and mark the waistline so that we could align 2 parts of the zipper better. I also do a marking on the neckline. Pin, baste and stitch another part of the zipper. Put straps wrong side out and sew along long sides. Place the straps right sides together with the bodice according to the notches. Stitch on the sewing machine. Put together the facing pieces. Finish the facing edge. Pin and stitch together the bodice and the facing. Trim the corners and clip into the armhole seam allowance, stopping 2 mm away from the seam line. Press the seam allowance towards the facing. Understitch 1 or 2 mm away from the original seam. Align and stitch together the facing and the back seam allowance. And here is the result, because I've already made it on another side. Cut the corner and turn the right side out. Stitch the facing seams to the bodice side seam to fix it. Now to the hem. Fold the raw edge up to the allowance line and press. Fold again and press. Baste and stitch on the sewing machine. Fold the loops piece in half. Press. Then fold seam allowance inside and press again. Top stitch the piece, fixing seams allowance inside, and cut. Fold 1 cm on edges. Pin and stitch to the garment using triple stitching. Fold the belt piece in half and press. Then fold it right side inside and stitch, but leave a hole somewhere in the middle. Cut the corners and turn right side out. Press the belt well. Pin or baste the hole and top stitch your belt. Congratulations! You've made an amazing dress!